Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow or mute a publication on Medium, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then if you want to follow or mute a publication you can do that. For example, there is this first article and under the image you can see the three dots. Click on that and you can see that the first option is follow this publication, and there is the third one, the mute this publication. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.